Here, come. Good kitty. Sit. Good kitty. Take your shake. Sit. Sit. Shake. Good. High five. Fist bump.
Pottery passion spreads fast. Now the cat's learning the art of clay with Dad.
It's too late to go for a walk. I'm sorry.
Hairbrush or paw brush? This cat insists on helping with the morning routine.
Ang galing! Ang galing!
Hide and seek, but with a cat, the seeker always wins. Sunbathing requires teamwork. Dad holds, cat soaks up the golden rays. Like father, like feline, sleeping side by side, identical in every way.
Molly, this is an orange, okay? This is an apple. Show me the orange.
A sofa, a cuddle, and deep dreams. Pure happiness in one frame. Washing dishes. The cat's got paws on training to help.
Tá vivo, gente? Ai, meu Deus, tá repreendido.
A loving gaze, a warm shoulder. This cat is perfectly perched in Dad's heart. A daring rescue. One cat, one treat, and one mission. Retrieve the lost item. A beauty guru in training, this cat takes makeup sessions very seriously. cooking assistant on duty. This chef's got a fluffy sous chef on her shoulder.
Students out of bed! Students in the corridor!
Fixing the table, the cat says, "Hold on, let me hammer too."
Or someone else is gonna pray.
Phone time is better together, especially when you can sit on your human's back.
Would anybody like a cat? Anybody? Don't all speak at once. Does anybody want a cat? Please. Feel free.
A group cheer, and yes, the cat proudly raises a paw in solidarity. When hunger strikes, this cat takes matters into its own paws.
Oh my god!
Twin souls, twin sleepers, one heart, one dream, one perfect pose.
Excuse me, sir, what are you doing?
A cafe connoisseur, this cat enjoys the ambience like a true VIP guest.
Non ci vado più a suonare allora. Non ci vado più. È come viviamo se non ci vado più. Ma se non vado, come le compro le crocchette?
Yo, you wanna see something cool? No? Well, I'm gonna do it anyway.
Acrobat, magician, artist. This cat's got talent written all over. A tiny typist, cat at the keyboard, boss of the household. A brave little adventurer. jumping through the TV screen into another world. A dramatic masterpiece. One shot, one fall. This cat takes acting seriously. Toothbrushing tradition. Dad brushes, cat supervises from the best seat in the house.
Marty!
Yes.
Life with cats is full of unexpected, hilarious and heartwarming moments. What's the funniest thing your cat has ever done? Share your stories in the comments. If you love this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next adventure with our beloved cats.